Now, another potential con of owning your own home is that along with it being a big financial commitment to purchase a home, it also is simply a big financial commitment in terms of upkeep. Unlike with an apartment, when you have a landlord, you are responsible for the complete upkeep of your own home, and if something breaks, you have to either fix it yourself or find someone and pay someone to fix it for you. And now home repairs can range from relatively low cost. Let's say the average refrigerator repair job, that can be between $200 and $400 to being an extremely costly repair job, with repairing a roof being $1,200. And then let's say that repair the roof, it needs more and you actually need to replace a roof. Well, in Washington State, and this is a huge range because there's all sorts of different types of roofs, but replacing a roof could range from $8,700 up to $22,000 and way beyond that number, depending on size and material, of course. And even small things that you might not think of with having been a renter all your life, perhaps, is having to call a plumber. A plumber's costs can add up as their hourly often will start at around $120. So the rule of thumb is really that you'll want to have set aside 1 to 4% of your home's value each year for your maintenance fund. And that's a good chunk of money, especially often with early on, you just purchased this home. You might have put all the money you had into the purchase with a high down payment. So now you've got little liquid cash, you've got a home, which in all likelihood, it's not a brand new home, so there's old components to it. And so you never know when something's going to break and you're going to have to put up a good amount of money to get it fixed. Just so that you can kind of think this through a little more with that 1 to 4%. Let's look at it on a $500,000 home, make the math easy. That would recommend you set around $5,000 to $20,000 down each year for maintenance fund for potential repair work.